Hey everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with December Daily Day 5. But before I do that, I want to give a shout out to one of my subscribers. So Rhonda Morrow, this is for you. This is your special one today, or I don't know, but Rhonda is so sweet. She's a scrappy friend of mine. We've never met in real life, but if I ever get anywhere near her state, you better believe we're going to. But anyway, she is so kind and so sweet. She sent me a little package at one point, and she is always commenting and just so sweet. And she posted, she did a post on Scrapbook Like a Superhero's Facebook page yesterday about how she was really stuck scrapbooking, and then she found my YouTube channel, and that really, she started watching the videos, and that really helped free her. And she talked about 5 lessons she's learned from scrapbooking, and the biggest one, the one that she said is most important, and the one that I think as well, is what her number 5 was, which scrapbooking should be fun. And if it's not fun, you are doing something wrong. That's the only time in scrapbooking you can't do something right. There is no right in scrapbooking unless it's not fun. And I think that's really important to remember when you're doing this December daily project, because it should be fun. Yes, you're documenting your life, and I always talk about how these pages that I'm doing are leaving a legacy of love for my family, you know, my grandchildren, and now my great nephew especially, and my nieces and nephews and stepdaughter and stepson, but the second generation beyond me, really. But anyway, I always talk about that, and that is important. And the artistic piece is important for me as well, too. But if I'm not having fun doing this, I don't know why I'm even bothering to do it, because I can print off photos and throw them in photo sleeves. That's easy to do. You know, that's not a big deal, but I really want this to work. So if you're doing this project and it's too much for you, reevaluate what you're doing, and maybe you're not making it simple enough for yourself. So there's lots of ways you can do that, and I'll keep talking about that as we go along, about things that I'm doing on days that I work really long days and things like that. So anyway, Rhonda, a special hello to you, just because you're so sweet, and I was so touched. She actually brought tears to my eyes with the sweet little things she said about my channel. So I just thought that was neat. It's just really cool to think that by doing something I love so much that you can touch somebody else. So thanks, Rhonda. All right, so back to December Daily Day 5. So this was Day 4. It's going to sit across from Day 5. And I pulled my page protector out already. It's the sleeve with 4 3x4 pockets in it. And I only have one photo for today, but I decided I wanted to do something fun for the day today. I have a brand new Cricut that Cricut Explore Air 2 that I bought on Black Friday. And I thought I should use it, and I have time today, so I decided to do that. So I found this piece of green striped paper. This came from December Documented, the Elle Studio Kit. I believe it was this year's. And then I found an image on flaticon.com of a present. So that's the image of the present, and I cut it out. Because my idea that I want to do is I want to put that in one of these sleeves, and then just leave it. Don't put anything behind it. Now the only thing about that is this paper is only single-sided. So I actually figured out how to flip the image with my Cricut, cut them together at the same time, and now I'll be able to glue these together, and there won't be, you won't see anything behind that when I do that. So I sometimes like to use transparencies and that kind of stuff, and I could do that too, is put a little vellum or transparency behind this as well, but I think I'm going to leave it as is. So as long as I'm talking about this right now, let's just glue this together. And I also happen to know that my photos from today, because I've already decided what story I'm going to tell, are, and as a matter of fact, I will book them right after I do this, because it's kind of nice to have the uploads done early. For those of you who do YouTube, you know how long an upload can take. And guys, that's a tough one. Editing can take a while, but uploading is horrendous. So anyway, when we do this, we really do this because we love it, because they don't make it easy for us. Okay, So there we go. My present is all glued together, and you know what I'm going to do? It's done. So for now, I'm going to tuck it in this pocket right here. And that may change as I go along and find the things that I'm working with. We'll see. I'm imagining that I'm going to have 2 3x4 cards, one to journal on, and then one to add these two. So I'm not going to touch these because I just did these right before I turned the camera on. I figured it would be really boring for you to watch me glue or put stickles on wood veneer. I saw this. These are from the Elle Studio. I don't think it's a December documented kit, or maybe it is. It was either that or it was a wood veneer that they sold separately. I don't remember anymore. But I saw one of their designers use stickles on the ribbons. And so I did that too. And some of them are kind of blobby looking, but you know, you get the idea of what it is. And then this one, because it's so small, was definitely blobby looking. And what I ended up doing is I just took a wipe and I took it off because it didn't look good at all. And now it's left behind some of the sparkly glue. So I think that's kind of cool. These are going to take a while to dry. So I'm going to use my plan of what I'm going to do, or I'm going to think about, you know, like which of these shapes, and maybe I'll just put them on the, you know, kind of put them on the card. But I'm not actually going to put them, glue them onto anything because I won't be able to do that yet. Although I guess I'll have to for photographs. So I'll figure that out. I just won't be able to put the card in. So anyway, guys, back to that. I'm just going to leave these up here to the side. I don't want to accidentally put my fingers in the glue because that will be kind of disastrous. So I think there is a present card in here somewhere. I'm going to look through, and I don't think that one really, the colors are really off if that actually belongs in here, but whatever. There's this Oh What Fun card, which is really cute. So if I don't use it here, I'm going to put that aside because I could use that for, oh, here's the present card. I could use that for when I do tomorrow's. So there's a lot of white here and a lot of white there. I might want to flip this to here just so that the whites kind of balance each other off. And then I need to do either a card or just a 3x4 piece of paper where I can put those presents on top. So I want to look at that. Well, that would be kind of cute to do something like that. Although stripes and stripes are kind of crazy. So that's not, you know, I tell you, you should do something that just kind of works. That's okay. And then I could like just mount the presents here and maybe put, I don't know, the number on here somewhere. And then there's that. I think I want something a little bit more solid just because I think, I'm just going to do this so I can see how this all lays together. There's so much white here and so much white over there. It might be nice to have something a little more solid. December fun. And there's one with more, except the presents won't go on there. That's right, I have to keep remembering. I have presents to go on this. I thought if I could find a little sentiment one, that would be kind of cute. Because then I could use both the red and green presents on it. That Joy, Love, Peace, I'm just trying to figure out. I don't really think there's room. I'm tempting fate here. Yeah, there's not going to be room for a lot of the presents there. How about this one that says, have a holly jolly Christmas? I like that. I think that's the one I'm going to do. Because then I could pop. I am tempting fate, guys. Cross your fingers for me. And I actually think I like that. Maybe with just the one present on it, I do. So what I'm going to do, because, you know, I'm a little crazy here. Actually, this one's a little bit easier because it only has the stuff on the top. I'll just pop that right on there. Ooh, I love how that looks. That's cute. Really simple. And I think that, you know, that looks good. I like that. I think just as it is, although I could see if I could find some sort of red accent. I'm thinking maybe enamel dots. Oh, this would be cute, maybe. These are, Queen & Company makes this product called Lollies. And, oh yeah, that's cute. Okay. And now I can put one on the other side too. Because you definitely, you know, I'm going to want to match side to side there. That's really cute. Now, the one thing, yeah, although it's too late, they're stuck. They're pretty thick, so I'm afraid that's going to slide in and out, but oh well, it's too late if it does. Okay, so we have that on there. I could recut it if I wanted to, but I'm not going to do that just for this. Okay, then we need to have a number 5 because, you know, yesterday I almost forgot that. And I'm thinking it might be cute to put it on one of these presents. And I happen to have some Elle Studio letters and numbers in the red here. And I have a 5. So let's see how that looks. Okay, I was thinking I would like that there. I don't know that I like that there, but I do like it there. So, just so I don't kill anything there, because that is still drying. Guys, that's as hard as it gets today. That's pretty awesome. I really think I'm done. Wow. And I have all the time in the world today, although I shouldn't say that. I did spend a lot of time because I did the cut file, and then I did the stickle stuff. And those will dry. I'll leave them out overnight. They'll dry, and that'll be really fun. So, I'm done. Well, I'm not done. I have to do the journaling, but I'm not going to bore you with that on camera. So I will finish the journaling, and then honestly, I'm going to just go right on to day 6, so that you've got day 6 to watch for, and I have lots of time to play in my scrap room today. Bye, everybody.